What is a testamentary trust? A testamentary trust is a specific legal arrangement that is created according to the instructions contained within an individual's last will and testament. Unlike a living trust, which functions while the living grantor is still alive, this particular entity only comes into existence upon the death of the testator. The probate process acts as the formal trigger, where the court verifies the will and oversees the transition of assets into the trust's control. Once established, the trust is funded by assets from the deceased's estate, such as real estate, stocks, or cash. A designated trustee is then tasked with managing these assets on behalf of the named beneficiaries. This structure provides a high level of oversight, as the trust remains subject to the ongoing supervision of the probate court. Because it is built into a will, the grantor retains the right to modify or revoke the provisions at any point during their lifetime. The crucial role of the trustee and beneficiaries. The relationship between the trustee and the beneficiaries is the heartbeat of a testamentary trust's long-term operation. The testator selects a trustee, either an individual or a corporate entity, who holds a fiduciary duty to manage the trust's property with the utmost care. This person is responsible for making investment decisions, paying necessary taxes, and distributing funds according to the specific timeline outlined in the will. Beneficiaries are often children, family members with special needs, or individuals who may not be ready to manage a large inheritance independently. By using this structure, the testator can ensure that their loved ones are provided for without giving them immediate, unrestricted access to the entire estate. The trustee must provide regular accountings to the court to ensure that the interests of the beneficiaries are being protected. This layer of accountability offers peace of mind to the grantor, knowing a responsible party is at the helm. Strategic control over asset distribution. One of the primary advantages of a testamentary trust is the granular control it offers over when and how assets are distributed. Instead of a lump sum inheritance, which can be quickly depleted, the trust allows for staggered distributions based on specific milestones or ages. For example, a parent might dictate that a child receives portions of their inheritance at age 25, 30, and 35. It can also be used to specify that funds should only be used for particular purposes, such as higher education, medical expenses, or the purchase of a first home. This dead hand control allows the deceased to influence the financial security of their heirs long after they have passed away. Furthermore, it protects the assets from potential creditors or legal judgments that the beneficiaries might face. By setting these parameters, the grantor ensures their legacy is preserved and used in a manner that aligns with their personal values. Comparing costs, complexity, and privacy concerns. While testamentary trusts offer significant control, they come with specific trade-offs regarding cost and privacy that every estate planner should consider. Because the trust is created through a will, it must go through the probate process, which can be time-consuming and involve public records. This lack of privacy distinguishes it from a revocable living trust, which typically bypasses probate and keeps financial details confidential. Additionally, because the court often maintains jurisdiction over the trust until it terminates, there may be ongoing legal and administrative fees. These include filing annual reports, paying trustee emissions, and occasionally attending court hearings. However, for many, the initial setup is less expensive than a living trust because it doesn't require the immediate transfer of titles and deeds. Ultimately, it serves as a robust tool for those who want a court-supervised safety net for their heirs. To learn more about our law firm's trust and estate planning legal practice, we welcome you to visit our website and contact our law firm to schedule an initial consultation. Thank you.